Hello friends, welcome back to our vocabulary series. This is lecture 10. So the root word for today is histo, H-I-S-T-O, which means tissue. Here you can find different types of tissues. First one, histology. Histo plus logy. Logy means study. So study of microscopic structure of tissues. Simply study of tissues is called histology. Next one, histochemistry. Study of chemical constitution of cells and tissues is called histochemistry. Next one, historicity. Historical actuality of persons and events is called historicity. It deals with historical events. Next one, histopathology. Here you can find three root words. Histopathology. Histo means tissues. Patho means related to disease. Logy means study. So histopathology means study of changes in tissues because of disease. Next one, histoblast. Cell characteristics of a particular tissue. Histocompatibility. It is a compatibility between tissues of different kinds. Historian. Specializes in the study of history. He is called historian. Historiography. Study of writing of history is called historiography. The next root word is hyper, which means excessive, beyond. So first one is hyperactive. If any person is more active, we can call him hyperactive. That means he is very restless. Hypercritical. So too critical. Hyperbole. Exaggerated statements or claims not meant to be taken literally. That means any statements which cause agitation among others are called hyperbole statements. Hyperextend. Extend a limb or joint beyond normal limits is called hyperextend. Hypergamy. Gamy means related to marriage. So hypergamy means marrying someone whose class beyond yours. That means a lower class person marrying an upper class person is called hypergamy. Hyperirritability. A state of being too irritable. Hyperpyrexia. A state when body temperature is too high is called hyperpyrexia. Hyperreactive is called too reactive. Next one, hypersensitive. Too sensitive. Hyperspace. A space that has moreover 3 dimensions is called hyperspace. Next one, hypersonic. Sonic related to sound. So relating to sound frequencies which are over 1,000 million hertz is called hypersonic. Hyperwakefulness. So staying awake too long is called hyperwakefulness. The next root word is infra, which means beneath, below. So infrastructure. Infrastructure means underlying framework of a system. Infrared, below the regular light spectrum. If you can see spectrum, you can find infrared rays under light spectrum, visible light spectrum. Next, infracentimetric, having dimensions less than a centimeter is called infracentimetric. Next, infrageneric, subclassification within a biological genus of organisms. That means under organisms you can find infrageneric. Infravisible, partially visible. Infrathreshold, below a specific threshold. So infra-yellow, electromagnetic radiation with longer wavelengths than yellow, including orange and red, is called infra-yellow. So inframarginal means beneath or inside the margin is called inframarginal. That's all for today. Thank you friends. Please like, comment and share with your friends.